What's up YouTube, my name is Jay and welcome to Nerds on Crack. Now in today's videos guys, we're going to refresh my old PC that I bought in 2006, so it's 12 years old and it needed to be refreshed. Now guys, if you guys are just like me and this is your first time building a PC, honestly I will highly recommend that you come at pcpartpicker.com to make sure that all your parts are compatible before you buy anything, alright? Now guys, for the parts, we're just gonna browse through them quickly so that we don't waste too much time. So for the power supply, I went with the EVGA 500. It's 500 watts and it's pretty much enough for what I needed to do. Now guys, for the motherboard I went with this one. It's a Gigabit Micro ATX. Honestly, it's a pretty nice one, I like it. For the RAM, exactly, I went with the Ballistic Sports 8 gig. I just bought one. I'm gonna add another one maybe later on to have 16, or maybe I'm gonna have 32 gig of RAM. For my CPU, I went with this Intel 7th generation Core i5. Honestly, it's a pretty fast one, and make sure that it's compatible with your socket for your motherboard. I went with this one also for my wireless connection at home. This Samsung SSD drive, and honestly it's a pretty fast one. Everybody recommend this one. I went with this Cooler Master for my CPU cooling, but honestly guys, I think I made a mistake. Not I think, I made a mistake, because I'm gonna show you later on during the video. I cannot close my case anymore, right? Just because of this. It's huge. Now guys, you probably noticed that I didn't buy a graphic card. This is not really a gaming PC for me, so right now I'm still using the integrated GPU on the CPU, but later on I will probably buy one just for the sake of it, okay? So now that we have all the parts, let's get cracking guys. Now guys, maybe I forgot to mention, but this is my first ever YouTube video, right? So lighting is not really correct, it's not perfect. Also some angles when I'm building the PC are not really optimal, but you know what guys, it's my first time, so I'm gonna improve over time, so just bear with me, alright? Now that we are done on mounting all the components, we can start cleaning the case, and when the cleaning is done and the case is ready, then we can start building again. So guys, this is what I was telling you about in the beginning of the video. So my CPU cooler is huge, and I made the mistake to buy that one. There are those 8 pins at the top that are preventing my case to be closed. So unfortunately I'm gonna have to buy another case, and not restart the whole process, but just switch back everything from the old case to the new one. But that will probably come in another video, right? Now that we're done building the PC, I did my best to shove all those cables inside. After that, the only thing that we could do is try to boot the PC and see if everything comes up. After that, guys, I just looked around in the BIOS to make sure that all the components were detectable. Now that I know that everything is working, it's time for me, guys, to install Ubuntu on the PC. Now, the installation of Ubuntu went pretty fast. I was really surprised by it, but I think that was expected since I put an SSD, I have a nice CPU, and pretty much Ubuntu is light, so you know, it's not Windows, so it should be alright. Voila, guys, so the build is complete, the installation is complete, and now the PC is ready to go. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Drop me a like, subscribe to support your man, and I'll tell you guys à la prochaine.